You're trying hard not to show it, babe. I'll show him the thing like he did. Baby. And he leans over. I think this is what he did. He leans over. And then all the fucking Navy fighter pilot guys go, but baby, I know it.
When I got to Memphis.
Today, I'm gonna show you guys what I do for a living. Check. Check it out, it's gonna be some sweet B-roll. You never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips. There's no tenderness like before in your fingertips. You guys remember the song from Top Gun? You're trying hard not to show it, babe. I'll show him the thing like he did. Baby. And he leans over. I think this is what he did. He leans over. And then all the fucking Navy fighter pilot guys go, but baby, I know it. And then he fucking drops the mic and she's like, sit down, sailor. And he just has to drop the line. And Goose is all pissed about it. Do you guys remember that scene? That was a fucking good movie, dude. I'm telling you right now. I don't know why I'm talking to you guys with the speaker and the microphone on, but that's what we're doing today.
I'm spilling this imagery vividly. You bitter G, lettuce, green leathers imported from Italy. Root really is the epitome of filthy. Can you feel me? Probably not, cause you numb to game. Blood orange seats, yep. Let's gut that scrape up. Batter girls and faster cars. I raised the bar, how jaded you are. Boy, I'm grown, my cologne is dro. No jewelry, I already glow like you already know. Salvo road, trying to get suited up by Oswald, bro. Jumping out of black caps, he's no joke, but he just might clown. Pitching game like Phillips on the mound. Please, keys to the town, I'll make them around. And I'm breaking it down and I'm taking on pounds from the lake to the sound. With M's on my arm, I'll bet the whole farm. I'm winning this game with swagged out charm. Just ring the alarm and pray to the Lord. The pen is a sword, it's pimping the chore. You kicking the door, you tripping the floor. Just for pimp to find his chick on the floor.
If you want it, it's gratis, it's for free. There ain't no strings attached, no, there ain't no catch. Take my love, take me.
All right, people. So that's what we do for a living here in this shop, is we make metal flat again. Why isn't this working? We make metal flat again, people. Boo. People come in with dents and they leave here without dents in their car, dentless. So I hope you enjoyed that video, the little B-roll section there, kind of showing you a little bit of what we do, how we get it done, and that's what we do in this shop. So thank you all so much for watching that, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good night, everybody. I love you all.